pause this video and try to answer this question, and if you have marked it as IgA pemphigus option D, then you are right. So with this question you will understand the importance of ruling out of the options and also looking at each and every a part of the question which is given as an important clue given by the examiner for you to come to a final diagnosis or answer, which in the case here is the most important clue is intraepidermal. This is the first important clue which the examiner gave, intercellular deposition of IgA. So these two are the important clues which I have marked here, intraepidermal and IgA. IgA is seen on direct immunofluorescence, that is in short we call it as DIF. So if you look at the options, you can see that bullous pemphigoid option A and linear IgA bullous disease, both of them can be easily ruled out. Why? Because both these are subepidermal blistering disorders. Both of them are subepidermal blistering disorders, that is there will be a split happening below the epidermis, and we can say intradermal, or we can call it a subepidermal. Okay, and if you look at option B and option D, both of these are intraepidermal blistering disorders. Intraepidermal blistering disorders. So option B or option D is going to be the final answer. So we have conveniently removed 50% of the options, that is option A and option C. Now looking at pemphigus vulgaris, it is definitely intraepidermal, intercellular deposition will be there. DIF will show IgG deposition intercellularly but not IgA. Okay, so that is how you can also rule out the option B, and finally we are left out with IgA pemphigus, in which in fact we are going to see IgA deposition. And most of the students, I definitely can say that they would have answered it as option C. Why? Because looking at IgA and in the option IgA is there, so definitely this is the next most common wrong answer which most students will mark. But you must remember that it is one thing is subepidermal, and also here the deposition of IgA is going to be along the dermoepidermal junction, or we can say basement membrane zone. And just a quick revision, we can say bullous pemphigoid, there will be IgG deposition in the dermoepidermal junction or basement membrane zone. Okay, so these are the four important vesiculobullous disorders, of which you should know where is the split and what will be the DIF finding and what will be the immunoreactant, at which level the immunoreactant will be arranged. And you must remember that in pemphigus vulgaris, this intercellular deposition of IgG is going to give a very characteristic finding which is called as fishnet, or it is also called as chicken wire pattern or fishnet pattern of direct immunofluorescence is what is seen in pemphigus vulgaris. Okay, so I hope this explanation was helpful. If you are having any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Please give a thumbs up, like the video, so that I will get to know that these videos are really helpful for you, and I will continue making these videos. And this is tomorrow's MCQ. If you know the answer for this, leave your answer in the comment section. If your answer is right, I will give the comment a like and also a heart.